Welcome to AI Tools Corner. Today, we delve into the mysteries of content creation without ever showing our faces. Imagine being the wizard behind the curtain, pulling the strings without revealing your identity. Faceless content is the hottest trend on YouTube. Why? Because it's all about the magic of storytelling without the distraction of faces. ChatGPT and AI-powered video editors are here to turn your wildest video dreams into reality, even if your editing skills are stuck in dial-up days. So, ditch the camera jitters, grab your keyboard, and let's dive into the world of faceless YouTube. This is your guide to building a viral channel with nothing but your brain, some AI magic, and maybe a few questionable pizza choices. Buckle up, because it's about to get weirdly awesome. This is how to create a faceless YouTube video with ChatGPT and AI, and trust me, it's going to be a wild ride. Let's dive in. First of all, we need a niche. If you already have an idea, great. But here, I'll do everything with the help of AI. I'll move forward to ChatGPT. After coming to ChatGPT, write your prompt like this: I want to start a new YouTube channel. I will make the videos only with voiceover, stock videos, and images. Can you please suggest some high-demand YouTube niches? And here it is, 10 high-demand niches such as educational, motivational, health, technology, travel, meditation, and more. Now, select one of them. Always select a niche with your interest. For example, I will go with mindfulness and meditation. Now, let's turn our idea into a video. ChatGPT will help us. On the GPT store of ChatGPT Plus, you will find the plugins, which can turn your prompt into a video. Let's explore the process. Come to the GPT store from here. Now, onto the search bar and then select InVideo AI. After coming to NID Custom GPT, we have to enter the prompt. Always enter a detailed prompt to get a better result. For example, I am entering, create an engaging 8-minute-long YouTube video that delivers deep research about the science behind meditation. Now that our video is ready, let's watch it. Imagine an elixir for your mind, a magic potion that boosts your mood, productivity, and even your lifespan. That's really a great video, informative and friendly. The visuals are perfect, but it generates only a 6-minute 55-second long video. That's acceptable because no AI tool is 100% accurate. Still, it needs a human touch. Let's do some customization. You can customize the video in 2 methods. Just give a prompt in this prompt box or click on the edit button. Let's try with the prompt, for example. I don't like the first scene and want to change it. Let's type, change the first scene. If you want to add any specific footage, just mention it. For example, I am entering, add footage of a beautiful lady doing yoga. You can also upload specific media for your video. That will give unique aesthetic to your video as you want. Now, let me show you another way to edit this video. If you click Edit under this video, this will bring up a screen displaying all the scenes. You have the freedom to upload your own media or select from InVideo AI's extensive stock library offering 8 million royalty-free clips. Just pick one of the best scenes and then hit Apply. If you want to customize the script, come to the Edit option again, and then click on Edit Script. From here, you will notice the full script on this page, and it's editable. Let's make some changes. I will add some lines at the start of the video. Hey, welcome to our channel. All right, after all is set, click on the Export button from here, and then select Export Video. It's very important. First, select the video resolution. You can select up to 4K. I will keep it 1080p. Next, the watermark. If you want to export without a watermark, then you have to buy a premium subscription. You can start with only $20 with the Plus package. You can generate 15-minute videos. If you need more, try the Max package where you have to pay $48 per month and can generate 200-minute videos. If you need more, you can customize the packages. All right, friends. After all is set, click on the Continue button. Now, it will take some time to generate the video. I will skip this part, and our video is ready. Let's enjoy the video. Hey, welcome to our channel. Imagine an elixir for your mind, a magic potion that boosts your mood, productivity, and even your lifespan. That's meditation, but without the mystique. Often shrouded in a veil of complexity, meditation, in reality, is surprisingly simple. It's about being present, being aware, and embracing the power of the moment. Meditation is not some elusive, esoteric practice, but a powerful tool that's at everyone's disposal. Now that we've debunked the myths, let's dive into the science behind meditation. Science and spirituality intertwine when it comes to meditation. It's not just about peace of mind. It's about the physiological changes that occur in our brains. Let's delve into the science behind meditation. In recent years, meditation has surged from ancient practice to modern mindfulness phenomenon. It's moved from monasteries to living rooms, from the spiritual realm to the scientific, and it's no surprise why. In our fast-paced world, the appeal of stillness, of a moment to breathe and be present, has never been greater. Yet, meditation is more than just a trendy buzzword. It's a practice deeply rooted in history, with evidence of its existence dating back thousands of years. The essence of meditation lies in the mind-body connection, a concept that bridges the gap between our thoughts and our physical state. It's about cultivating a sense of awareness and acceptance, fostering inner peace that radiates outward. The mind-body connection isn't a New Age concept. It's a well-established scientific principle, one that's been observed and studied for decades to peel back the layers of mystique and reveal the research. From neuroscientists to psychologists, from labs to meditation retreats, researchers have been exploring the impacts of mindfulness practices on our brains and bodies. They've discovered fascinating insights, from how meditation can change our brain structure to how it can help manage stress, anxiety, depression, and even chronic pain. Indeed, the mysteries of the mind are vast, complex, and infinitely intriguing. But as we navigate these complexities, we find that sometimes the answers we seek lie not in the external world, but within ourselves. Meditation is one such journey inward, a journey that can lead to profound transformation. Now, let's delve into the scientific research behind the transformative power of meditation. So, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy this intriguing concept. If you have any suggestions, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to AI Tools Corner for the latest updates and AI-related tools. Until next time, bye-bye.